Have you ever wondered why everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrencies? Maybe you have thought about it. Is this just a fad or the future of money? Today, I will explain crypto in a way anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you will know what cryptocurrency really is, why it matters, and how it works right here in the UAE. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is basically digital money, just like cash or a card. You can use it for payments, but it does not need banks. Works online anywhere in the world. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are different forms of this money. At its core, crypto uses blockchain technology to stay secure and transparent. Think of blockchain like a giant notebook that everyone can see but no one can erase. Every transaction is recorded, making it safe and impossible to cheat the system. For example, Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, often called the digital gold. People buy it, hold it, and sometimes spend it. Ethereum, more than money, it is a platform for apps, smart contracts, and even games. On top of being a currency, why should you care about it? Imagine spending money to a friend in India or Europe. Normally, banks charge fees and take days. With crypto, it is instant and often cheaper. For people in the UAE connected to a global economy, this is a big deal. A real example, Ahmad in Abu Dhabi buys art from an artist in Dubai. Using crypto, he pays directly to the artist's wallet. The blockchain verifies it instantly, no bank, no delays, no extra fees. So in short, cryptocurrency is digital money powered by blockchain. Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital money plus smart apps, and crypto lets you transact globally in a safe and fast way. So if you want to learn how to buy your first crypto safely in UAE, stay tuned. That is coming in next video. Before you go, like and subscribe for more clear crypto insights, and comment below what's the first thing you would buy with digital money.